Setting up discounts in WooCommerce doesn't have to be complicated or time consuming. In this video, I'll show you how to get started quick with OtterWP Discount Manager. This will work with any theme and get you up and running in no time. So let's dive right in. In this section of the video, we're going to go over how to use the OtterWP's Discount Manager. It makes it fast, easy, and simple to create any discount. And there's other discount types that will help increase your average order value. So to do that, you're going to need to go to the description down below and install the plugin. And after you do that, you can just go over to the WooCommerce sales scheduler. And as you see, it's a nice clean calendar. And you can just click on the day you want the sale to start. Create. And here you could do many things. You can search for categories or specific products. And as you see, add all categories for hoodie. This is a variation product of a hoodie, and it will add all the variations. So we'll go ahead and click that. And now you could change it one by one here, but the fast way to do it is do a fixed discount, apply, and you can also do by percentage or fixed price. Now once you hit save, that sale has been created, and we can extend it however long we want, or if we want it to be moved, you can do that as well. And you can copy it and duplicate it, delete it, whatever you want very quickly and easily from here. And if it's a current running sale, you'll also have analytics. So this will then tell you how this is performing. Obviously I just added it, so nothing's going to show. It's going to show your top performing product and all the discount given and all the other relevant information. This is great for you to track and see how you're doing on the specific sale. Now there are other types. There is a you get a free product. You click that, give it a name, we'll just say test, set the amount of money they have to spend to get a free product, and then simply select the product. And there you go. And you can then pick exclusions of products and categories that don't count towards the total. And again, hit save. And as you see, it's there. Again, you can move it longer, move it away, or whatever you like. Now, this does have some additional settings that you can change. So you go into settings, free product. In the front end, you have a nice little progress bar or indicator of how close they are to help them convert. And I'll show you towards the end of this video what it all looks like. You can even edit it here. You can edit the code or whatever you like. And there's dynamic tags, so this will display a nice progress bar. This will show the end date and the name of the product and whatnot. And you can add them all from here. It just makes it another great convenient way to help them convert. Now, again, there's more discounts still. You can create a total spend, which works in the same way, just without the product. We'll do the test name, set the amount, display fixed price or percentage, depending on what you want to do. So do percentage, 10%. I'll unlock at 10%. Again, you can exclude products that you don't want in there. Hit save. Again, you can extend it out, move it around, and as well as change your settings here and all of the other things you may need. The next discount is going to be buy Y, get X. This is a great discount to create BOGOs or buy two get ones. So we're going to do a belt, and then we're going to do a cap. And as you see, you can even change quantities. So you could say they need to buy 2 belts before they get a cap free. And you can change the percentage down here. So they can get the cap 50% off. Again, hit save. And you can move it around. Change it to whatever you want. And then down here, if you want to just look at one type of sale, you can do that. This makes it easy to track and see what's going on, as well as have your analytics. And again, in the settings, BOGO, There's a badge for the single product page and for the shop page. And there's also a pop-up, which I will show you again towards the end. And we're going to enable that. That will, when they add one product in, a pop-up will show, and then you'll be able to add it to your cart. So let's go ahead and go back to calendar. Put free shop, free product. And that is the back end. Now here we are in the front end. And as you can see, there's some tags showing off that these products are on some kind of discount. And if you hit the button, you can add all to the cart. And then you'll see all of them are in your cart. You can go to checkout. And you can see the discounts being displayed and taken off without any coupons or anything, saving you all the hassle, time, and mess. Now, if we go into one of the products, you can also see the progress bar and how much they need to spend to get the free cap as we had before. So if we add an item, you'll see it will increase. It's just another easy and simple way to increase the chance of converting and increasing your average order value. Now, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below if there's any kind of discounts I missed, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye!